The Youngstown Metropolitan Housing Authority has been in our valley since the 1930s. Today, we talk with Executive Director Clifford Scott to get a little insight as to what this organization is all about. You are looking at the future of public housing in Youngstown. This is Arlington Heights, a new mixed-income neighborhood that includes not only public housing but private housing as well. It was built where a section of the Westlake Terrace housing project once stood.
We are currently either tearing down or rehabbing 6 out of our 10 developments, which is pretty substantial.
Executive Director Clifford Scott says metropolitan housing authorities were established in the 1930s to eliminate slum housing during World War II. Today, the YMHA is continuing to work to try to provide housing that is safe, decent, and affordable while changing the perception, and in some cases the reality, of public housing. He says many of the problems come from people who don't live there.
We've made significant investments in safety and security, and I think it's made a difference in our housing developments. When there is a mindset of something being free, people generally take advantage of that. So we have challenges in that respect.
YMHA housing is 90% occupied. The average tenant, a family of 4, generally a single mom, with a number of senior citizen tenants as well. The authority serves the poorest in the community, including those who work.
Generally, everybody who comes in the door and gets housed has to pay 30% of their income, whatever it is.
YMHA provides public housing as well as Section 8 vouchers for rental assistance, for which there is a 3-year wait for privately owned apartments around the county. Scott says YMHA also works with local organizations to show people there are opportunities out there relating to job training, education, and small business entrepreneurship.
And we have some innovative programs and initiatives to try to move people off the dime, if you will. And we've been pretty successful at it.
The goal of one of the programs is to teach young people a skilled trade. The 18 to 24-year-olds in the program recently built this house.
This is the first project that we did that was new construction. Essentially, we built it from the ground up, and the kids were ecstatic about doing this, accomplishing something.
Scott says metropolitan housing authorities today have evolved and must work to identify new funding sources.
We are ever changing. We have been fortunate to really secure a lot of funding, new funding from the federal government, from the state government, and from other sources, outside sources, to really change the face of our portfolio.
The authority recently received $10 million for Briar Hill and another $10 million for Westlake. And Scott says though he's worked in New York and Kansas City, he came here to help the community through challenging times, and he plans to see his goal through.
We won't be the houser of last resort in this community anymore.
With the Regional Chamber Report, I'm Kim Gonda.